Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's now execute code 1 to generate the error and observe the outcome. Now, here's the breakdown and the fix for the issue. Feel free to pause the video to read through the explanation. Let's adjust the code now and watch the outcome it yields. And voila! The code is working as it should and our output is spot on. The error has disappeared. That's all for today's session. If you found this guide beneficial, please like the video and join our channel for more how to fix coding videos. Always stay eager, continue your learning journey, and enjoy your coding experience.